Hello friends, good afternoon. Today we are going to talk about the one of the useful function of Excel, TextJoin. This function has been released in your version of Excel. So the problem statement is that I have the complete details in column A. I want to transform this data in this required output format. So if you see, the year has been split with the semicolons in a single cell. To achieve this earlier version, I need to do the different operation. In the next column, I will apply is equal to the cell number and the above cell number with and semicolon with space and the current year. I have to drag this formula till end. Then the last cell output I need to copy and paste it. So this much of operation I used to do it. Now we don't have to do this operation because Excel has provided a very good formula text join. Well, I'll write it here is equal to text join. It requires multiple inputs. The first is delimiter. It is mandatory input that we have to give. The delimiter is nothing but the semicolon that we can see in above cell. So in double quote, I'll provide semicolon with a space, double quote complete, comma. So second criteria, ignore empty. I'll select true and ignore empty cells. We will talk about the false one also. I need this text to be transformed. So I will select the whole range, complete the bracket, press enter. So if you see, the text join formula gave the same output that we required. Now let's assume we have a three different column. We need that all columns should be get consolidated. So that is also possible in the text join. So I will write a formula text join, double quote, semicolon, comma. I want to ignore the empty cells, text one. So this is my text one, comma. Now I am in the text two. So I will select text two, comma, text three, bracket complete, enter. So you can see I'll just paste special value to it. I've converted to the value and you can see from 2000 to 2032 it is consolidated. Now let us talk when we say include empty cells. So delimiter I want is semicolon, ignore empty text, I will select false. I want to get include the blank text and the text will be this column. You can see after 2002 there is a blank, after 2007 there is a blank. When I enter it, I'll convert this in a value and after 2002 you can see there is a blank has been considered. Same thing are happening after 2007 between 2009. So in that way you can utilize the text join functions functionality. Subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Like it if it is helping you and share with your friends. Thank you very much. We will meet in next video.